outside the town of Glide in Douglas County.
We have 2 crews here today.
It's the hum of chainsaws.
Lots of camaraderie.
And the bustle of more than 24 young people working.
Lots of teamwork.
It fills the air.
We started around the 15th of October, and we have just been going.
They're here to create defensible space in a part of Oregon that has become no stranger to wildfire.
We live in a high anxiety area over the summer.
We have a lot of trees. We're very proud of our forest, but with that comes a lot of hazards that people in the community hadn't previously thought about or identified.
This work here, a partnership between Glide Revitalization, Glide Rural Fire Protection District, the Oregon Conservation Corps, the Phoenix School of Roseburg, the Wolf Creek Job Corps, and the Oregon State Fire Marshal. Homes where defensible space work is needed is identified. A plan is put together, and these crews come and do the work free of charge, removing overgrown brush and limbing trees to make these properties more resilient to wildfire.
A lot of the folks we do work for are elderly and don't have the means, either the physical or the financial means of getting the work done themselves. So it's really great to make an impact on people like that.
These young minds, many fresh out of high school, learning valuable skills that will translate into future careers in natural resources or wherever they may want to go next.
A lot of them are taking those first steps into this career at 18 years old, and it's just a really encouraging thing to see.
This project, one of many funded through the Oregon State Fire Marshal's Community Wildfire Risk Reduction Grant. This program in Glide receiving nearly $1 million in funding from that grant.
It's a lifesaver. Without this, it wouldn't happen.
Today, this work continues, and tomorrow, another home, as these crews play a critical role in creating a fire-adapted Oregon.
It's a really great contrast to see how more and more people become aware of programs like these and start, understanding what looks healthy versus what doesn't.
We get little letters and phone calls. They call our chief all the time and said, "Oh, we feel so much better. We've got this done."